exercise 2.5. So question number 5 is also very simple. It is difficult, right? It is seems difficult but not difficult. It's very easy question. So let us start the question solving step by step. Now what is variable term first? You can see here is also variable, here is also variable, and here is also variable. What we have to do? Now simple, first minus t will transfer on that side, it will become plus t, right? So 3t minus 2 upon 4 as it is, minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 as it is, and minus t will transfer on that side, it will become plus t upon 1, because if denominator kuch nahi hota, that means denominator is 1, and here is 2 upon 3. So now plus equal to 2 by 3 left. Now what we have to do? By taking LCM, solve the equation step by step. Now look at very carefully because it is little bit different. Okay. Now 4, 3, 1. What is the LCM of 4, 3, 1? 12. Okay. Now 12 is divided by 4. What you will get? 3. Right. And 3 is multiplied by complete numerator. Okay. 3t minus 2 complete numerator है, don't be confused. इस पूरे न्यूमरेटर से किसका मल्टीप्लाई होगा बेटा? 3 का. So 3 multiply 3t minus 2 like this. Okay. Now again here is minus sign. This minus as it is. Now check denominator term 3. 12 divided by 3. You will get 4. And 4 multiply by complete numerator. 4 2t plus 3 like this. 4 किससे multiply होगा? इन सभी से. Now here plus as it is, plus sign. Now 1. Check denominator. 12 divided by 1 you will get 12, and 12 multiplied t you will get 12t. 12t like this, and 2 by 3 as it is, equal sign. Okay. So hope ये clear हुआ होगा ये step. 4, 3, 1 का हमने LCM लिया. Now 4 न्यू डिनोमिनेटर्स, फर्स्ट डिनोमिनेटर से LCM को हमने डिवाइड किया, जो भी आंसर आया उसको क्या किया? मल्टीप्लाई किया न्यूमरेटर से. ओके. एंड 2t plus 3, 3t minus 2 is the numerator. Now what? In next step we have to open the bracket and multiply this number in the bracket digits. 3 into 3t, 3 into 2 like this. 4 into 2t, 4 into 3, right? So I am going to rub the board because there is no space. Now in next step I am writing here 3 into 3t, 3 3s are 9, minus as it is 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. Now this minus as it is 4 into 2 is 8, 4 2s are 8, 8t. Now look at this. Here is minus sign and here is plus sign. Both will be multiplied. Okay. So minus into plus, what you will get? Minus. ये साइन का बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान रखना है हमें. हमने क्या किया अभी? माइनस इंटू प्लस, you will get minus, and again minus into plus you will get minus. So 4 into 3 you will get 12. Okay. Now plus 12t is equal to 2 upon 3. And what in case of 12? 12 will transfer on right hand side. It will become multiply 12 because it is in the form of division. So transfer on that side. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Means we know the right hand side value is 8. Okay, like this 8. Now left hand side, solve left hand side first. Solve t t t. Okay. So now 12t plus 9t here. 12t plus 9t. What you will get? How many 12? How many t is here? 21t. Right? Now 21t. 21 minus 8t. 21t minus 8t. Now what you will get? 13t. Right? And minus plus sign is greatest digit. That means there is plus sign. So I am writing here 13t. Okay. Now what? Number digits 6 and 12 are the numbers. Okay, not variables terms. So minus and minus. So minus minus plus means you have to add these numbers 12 and 6. So it will become 18. But both will be minus sign means greater digit is minus sign. So minus 18. Okay. सबसे पहले आपको इंटीजर्स का कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ना है जिसमें आपको साइन क्लियर होगा. ठीक है. So you can see my previous videos also. So minus 12 plus हो जाएगा 12 plus 6 is 18 like this. Okay. So here 13t minus 18 is equal to 8. Okay. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Now what? 18 minus 18 will transfer on that side. It will become plus 18, right? 30t is equal to 8 plus 18. And now 8 plus 18 you will get 13t is equal to 26, right? Now t is equal to 13 is in the form of multiplication and will change into division like this 13. Okay, so 13 ones are 13 and 13 twos are 26. That means x is equal to 2. Okay, these are all are the steps to solve the fifth question. Now solve it and do